So today I want to learn how to keyframe, mask, all that. Well, today really we're gonna learn how to mask. You feel me? Because I be getting a lot of comments on my Instagram channel. A lot of people want to know how to keyframe. They want to know how to mask. They want to know how to do rotoscoping. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to mask a subject out, and it's very simple, and it's gonna take you under 5 minutes to learn it. And once you learn this, you can do it all different types of ways. You can add your spice to it. So with that being said, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna get straight into the video. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I had to fix the sound. So look, man, when it comes to masking, you're gonna find a good perfect spot that you can mask in. So we're gonna just find some masking parts. So the first thing we want to do is, a lot of people do this, so depending on what you want to do, first thing you're gonna do is hold Alt on your keyboard if you use a Windows, and click the left mouse key, drag up one, and it's gonna make a duplication of the clip. Right click on your mouse, and you want to find add frame hold. So basically a frame hold is holding the video into frame, so it's just there and it doesn't move. So I'm just gonna press play and let you guys see it. As you guys can see, okay. Always make sure you start at the point right here. You wanna make sure you slide that down. Bum, bum, bum. Okay, so you're gonna go to effects, type in crop. Bum, bum, bum. Look for crop. Got crop, we're gonna drop it on the top. Alright. We're gonna go over here to the effect panel. And you see right here where it says crop. Right up under there, there is the masking key. Click that, and I'm gonna rush, but if you want to be professional and stuff, you gotta take your time. So we're gonna just do a quick mask, and just do a quick mask. It's really better in After Effects, but I mean. Shit. Hey guys, so once you got everything masked together, what you would want to do is go over to the effect panel. Again, you see right here where it says crops. You want to put you want to hit invert, and you want to put left to 100, just like that. And okay, as you guys can see, it's masked out. Subject is masked out, right? So a lot of people want to know, how do you keyframe? So if we got this right here, keyframe, if we got this mask out already, let me put it out there, that's mask. So we're gonna go over here to position, click on the top, make sure it's clicked on the top always. Then you're gonna turn your keyframe, matter of fact, we're gonna take the position and we're gonna slide out. And when you slide out, you're gonna see him pops out. Up. Okay, so once you got this position right here, you see this right here on the effects, it's called position. You're gonna slide it out, right? Turn your keyframe on. You see the little stopwatch right here? Click on that, it's gonna light blue. Right here under the effect panel, this is the keyframe. That's the first keyframe, because when we slid it over, we put the keyframe on it. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just hit this reset button, and that's gonna reset. Hold on. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna move the stick over a little bit, then you're gonna hit reset, and it's gonna make another keyframe. Always make sure you got the stopwatch on, and then this right here, when you go in and out, this controls the speed. So we're just gonna leave it right here, and we're just gonna check it. And you see, that's the keyframe. So basically, if you wanted to if you wanted to match up, you just take this to the hand. But yeah, that's just a quick tutorial on how to mask. I'm gonna give y'all some free game. If you wanted to switch it up a little bit and make it come in a little better, bro, you gotta have skills, and you gotta have a brain. Be creative with it. So you just use a lot of effects and you just test them, right? Pro tip, man. Look, keyframe, turn it on. Bam. We got the keyframe on. Now we want to push back this way. Move this. That's gonna put it in. Now check me out now. All right, now look, we got that keyframe, right? Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go over here to the same one, and we're gonna put this on the left side, right underneath the line. So look, it's gonna go across this way, come in, right? So we want to actually look. You see, it's not matching up. We want to at least, you see, we want to at least make it come across to hit this. So what we'll do is just take this and we'll slide it over. And you go ahead and hit your back and forth button on your keypad, and you go back and you try to find a spot, and then you take this, boom, just like that. Now watch this. See that right there? That's how a lot of people do it. Just check it out. That's a quick, nice keyframe. And also, a lot of people want to know about the Ecto plugin. It's very easy. Like, say you see how I got this already masked out or whatever. If I had the Ecto plugin, I would just take it and just drop it all on top of it, and it will automatically, put the glowing transition on here, and then I can make it to where I want it. Now, let's say if we want to make 2 of them pop, it's very easy. All you have to do is just hold Alt on your keyboard and slide up, and that's gonna make a duplication, right? Now, say if we wanted to switch it up a little bit, and we wanted to make, let me get this right, and want to make this one pop. Same thing, bro. Check it. You can move it because the keyframe automatically sets when you move a point. Basically, see that? That's how you keyframe. It's very easy, you guys. I mean, if you guys need one-on-one tutorials, or I can show you guys. I'm gonna be doing online courses very soon, so I can teach you guys what you need to know in certain video edits and certain shots, and how to set up your timeline, certain settings, how to color grade, stuff that you guys need to know. That's beginners out here. I've been doing this for almost like 2 years now, and I came from the bottom and I'm still going. So other than that, man, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, man. And this was just something quick just to show you guys something. So we about this thing. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I watch everything, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I ain't asking for nothing. I'm not how y'all say it? I'm not clickbaiting y'all. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Keep it real with OG. Y'all see what I'm doing? I'm giving y'all, the easiest fucking tutorial it is out there. You ain't gonna never meet nobody like me. I'm real with it. And I'm very humble, man. So we up out of here.